Hello, guys. Good afternoon. Welcome to our live trading session for today. So this session was scheduled for afternoon because of the news event that is coming up by 1:30 p.m. All right. So, guys, go get your account ready. If you don't have enough capital, make sure to make a top up. We are trading the gold, the NFP news event. All right. All right, so we are trading the NFP news event, and as you all know, the event is very volatile and it's not suitable for small accounts. Okay, so if you want to participate in this event, I will advise you fund your account. All right, so if you have a low balance, please make sure to make a top up so that you can participate. Right, so we are currently looking at the gold market. We are currently looking at the gold market. So I've already made analysis because the time is not on our side. You see, it's already 1:20, and in the next 10 minutes, we expect the uh, NFP data to be released. All right. So, all right. So, as you can see on the chart, I've already made analysis. Okay, I've already made analysis. So let's drop down to the lower time frame. All right. So on the lower time frame, as you can see, so from this point to this point, the market has been bullish. Okay, the market has been trading bullish. Right. So, and the market is currently approaching this level where we have, so this is the 15 minutes time frame, and we have the market approaching this lower trend line. Okay, so this is my price prediction. For me, the market is going to come back to this level where we have, we're going to come back to this level where we have another block, and I'm expecting a buy. Okay, so guys, in in less than 6 minutes, the NFP data will be released. And as you can see right now, the gold market is trying to align with this leg. Okay, it's trying to align with what we have here before making uh, a bullish move, right? So I'm going to give the signal before the news event. I'm going to give the signal. All right, so the market is currently reversing from our fair value gap here. Okay, so I think our entry should be from this level, the fair value gap level. Okay. Okay, guys, let's open a buy position on XAU USD. I hope you've opened a buy position, guys. Okay, so a few seconds to impact. Okay. Yes. Guys, take profit right now. Take profit right now. Close positions. Wow. Guys, look at the long candle. Look at the long spike we got from the NFP event. So I hope everyone has closed their positions. Please close your position if you are still on this trade. So the market made a huge spike from our point of entry. Wow. All right. So we made profit from the XAU USD uh, event. So congratulations to everyone that took the trade. Right now, the market is still moving bullish. Okay, so guys, uh, congratulations to us. We made massive profit from the NFP news event. All right. Okay. So we didn't have the time to, talk about the NFP that much. I just jumped into analyzing, showed you the analysis I've made earlier, and how I think the market is going to react to the event. All right. So, guys, so um, this bullish spike on XAUSD happened because we have a weak data. Okay. So the data that was gotten from the NFP event came out low, all right, lower than data that was gotten from the previous event, okay, the event which is the event from April, all right. So when the event comes out stronger, the XAU, sorry, the USD pair, tends to be very strong, okay. And how this works is when the data gotten from the event is strong, um, the XAU, sorry, the USD will go bullish, right? But when the data gotten from the event is weak, the USD will go bearish, right? Selling to pushing the price to the downside. Okay. And what happened here is we have XAU USD, and XAU is the first pair, which is the which means that here the USD is the quote currency, okay, while the XAU is the base currency, okay, the base instrument rather. So what would happen when the data gotten from the event is weak is the base currency is going to buy, okay. Um, and since XAU is the base currency here, that is why you see uh, the market, going bullish, right? Giving this, long bullish candle. So if we go down to pair where the USD is the base currency, you see that the USD sold, okay? USD will sell where USD is the base currency, right? So example of that is this USD CAD. All right. So as you can see, you see the market sold to the downside, while on XAUSD we have a buy market. All right. So here USD is the base currency, while CAD is the quote currency, and that is why USD is selling. Okay, because the data gotten from the event came out very weak. Okay, weaker than the data that was gotten from the previous event. All right. So that's basically how the news event works. Okay. All right, so let's make analysis. We have more time. Let's analyze market from other instrument, other pair that are not, related to USD. All right, so here we have AUDCHF, and I guess AUD also released their own news this afternoon, and that is why we have this long spike, right? Okay, so this is the 1 hour time frame of AUDCHF. We are currently on AUDCHF 1 hour time frame, right? And on the 1 hour time frame, the market is currently looking like it's on the no man direction. Okay, so from the 2 hour time frame, the market is obviously on an uptrend, right? So you see from here, from this point to this point, the market has been making bullish moves. Okay, the market has been making bullish moves. Okay, so from our trend line right now, we can see we have areas where the market has rejected earlier. So we have this first point, we have the second one here, the third one, and the current one, which is the fourth one. All right. So for me, I think this market is going to continue to go bullish. I think the market is going to continue to go bullish because, as you can see, the market is already bullish on the from the higher time frame, and we have the trend line. You see, the market is respecting the trend line. Every time the market, makes a move to sell down to the downside, it will always reject from the trend line. So, from what we have in the current market, I think this is going to continue to go up further. All right. And then we also have the upper trend line that the market needs to get to. Okay, so the market needs to get to this point. Let me zoom this. The market needs to get to this point. Okay, it need to get to this point where we have our upper trend line channel. All right, so you see the market is currently trying to break this area where we have the order block and the fair value gap below. So we have the fair value gap right here. All right, so we have the fair value gap here. Okay, so let's go to the next instrument. So this wasn't affected by the news event. All right, so let's see what's going on with this. This is AUDJPY. Okay, and on the 1 hour time frame of AUDJPY, the market is still rallying around this price zone and is trying to get to this price point. Okay, so we have a price point where our trend line, It's currently looking like the market is going to revert from those points. So let's have an analysis and see why it's looking that way. Okay, so AUDJPY 1 hour time frame. So here currently we have a fair value gap. Okay, we have a fair value gap. We have a very tiny fair value gap, and the fair value gap is suggesting that the market is going to start selling from this price point. Okay, yes. So we kind of have multiple point of interest here. Aside this fair value gap, we also have this point of interest, and here we have the other block. Okay, we have the other block, and that is why I set my stop loss above the other block and above the high. Okay, so even if this market doesn't respect this and the market decides to go maybe go above this level, at least I have my stop loss here that is going to take me out of the market. Okay, all right, so let's hold on to the 2 hour time frame. So we have analysis on AUDJPY, and since we still have a few more minutes before the end of our session, I think we should make more analysis. Okay, let's see if we can get more entry opportunity. Okay, I think a news is currently happening on AUDNZD, right? I think we have a news happening on AUDNZD. Okay, so I had this analysis from before where I said I'm expecting the market to take out this zone. Okay, I'm expecting the market to take out this zone, use this level as an inducement level, right? Use this level as an inducement level, and then come down to this other block, and before it starts to buy. So let's see what's currently going on with our previous analysis and why there is a current bullish move. Okay, from this point. All right, so we have a break of structure here, and I think we have another break of structure. All right, so um, let's not get tempted to buy from this point. Okay, I still believe the market would use this level as an inducement level. Okay, I still believe it's going to use this level as an inducement level, go below the level, and then make something like this, right? So giving us another break of structure right here. So this is what I'm expecting from the market. Okay. This is what I'm expecting from the market. Okay, so we have analysis on AUD and ZD. Now let's continue. Okay, so for AUD USD, on the 4-hour time frame, you can see how the market went bullish. Okay, so we had this was also affected by the news event, and here also USD is the quote currency. Okay, which means USD is the second currency in this case. So AUD is the base currency. AUD is the first currency. So what happened here is you see the market bought. Okay, the market bought, but I think the buying strength, the buying pressure has reduced because here we also have the market reacting to this level. Okay, the market is currently reacting to this level where we had uh, a resistance. Okay, where we previously had a resistance, the market is currently rejecting from that level. So on AUD USD, I'm expecting the market to drop down further. Okay, I'm expecting the market to go down. We are currently on the 4-hour time frame. All right, so let's drop down to the 1-hour time frame. Let's see if there's an opportunity. Okay, so we are still not sure of AUD USD. Okay, we are not sure if market is going to start reversing from this point because with the look of things from the lower time frame, as you can see, the market is still printing bullish candle. Okay, no rejection, still bullish candle. All right. So let's go back to XAUSD gold. Let's go check if the market is still bullish. All right, so after the news, you see the market is currently rejecting the price zone. Okay, so after giving us the massive profit, the market is currently rejecting the long candle, right? And for me, I think the market is going to continue to go bullish because here we have, I think the condition for a buy has met for this level. Let me quickly make an analysis to see if this will go our way. Then we can jump into the market again for the second time and try and make another massive profit. So here we have a fair value gap. Okay, we have a fair value gap here. Okay, so right now I'm expecting the market to continue to buy, right? Continue to go bullish. But we can't take this trade right now because the market has, move, way past our entry point. Because this could have been our entry point. This could have been our entry point, and here would have been our stop loss level, and see where the market currently is. All right, so uh, you say the market is still moving bullish, but as I've said earlier, we can't jump into the jump on this trend right now because you see the market has gone way past our entry point. Okay, so if we want to take, if we are to open a buy opportunity here right now, a buy position here, this is where our stop loss is going to be. Okay, so look at the distance, right? So we don't want our stop loss to be this long. Okay, so it's best if we just leave this trade or wait for the market to make another move to this area. Okay, make another move to this point where we have where it had previously given us a rejection candle. All right, let's analyze the BTC USDT instrument. So BTC USDT has been bullish. Okay, so trying to close the gap from this distance to this distance, right? From this point, from this high to this low. And on this point, we have we have a liquidity purge here. Okay, area where liquidity has been purged previously. All right, so this is the analysis on BTC USDT. We are currently waiting for the candle to get into the 50% of our fair value gap here, right? And when that happens, what I'm expecting from this market, is this. I expect the market to come in here, make a retracement, okay, and then continue to sell to the downside. So this is what I'm currently expecting the market to do. All right, so this is the analysis for BTC USDT. Now let's go to Ethereum USDT. Okay, let's go to Ethereum USDT. And remember, guys, Ethereum is like the junior brother of BTC USDT. So whatever BTC is doing, Ethereum will also make similar moves, right? So here we have a liquidity purge and a change of character just right below it. So we have a change of character below. All right, so this level has already been mitigated earlier. The next point of interest is this level. Okay, the next point of interest is this level. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if our level, okay. All right, so we have our level on the 1 hour time frame, and I'm expecting the market to get into the 50% like this, 50% of the fair value gap, and then drop down. Okay, drop down to at least this level. So this is my analysis on Ethereum USDT, and you see it's very similar to what we have on the BTC USDT earlier. Okay, so let's go back to XAU USD. Okay, let's go back to XAU USD. All right, so guys, that will be all for today. And we've come to the end of the week. So, guys, if you've made profit this week, make sure to make a withdrawal. You know, enjoy your weekend. All right. So, join me on Monday. Let's analyze the market and look out for entry opportunities. All right. So, guys, enjoy the rest of your day and bye for now.